Hi guys, and today I'm going to show you how to do a little decoration for your room. So first you have to get a soda, whatever, big bottle. So I got the Sprite one, and if it has a label, just neatly try to take it off. Neatly. So some of the lines is still there. Whatever. And then make sure you take the top off. Then, with a pair of scissors, you want to like punch, and we're gonna make a bird feeder. It's a bird feeder. So you want to punch it so it could look like that. And then with your scissors closed, you want to make a big hole. Yeah, or with a knife. You can make a big hole. So yeah. Just make a big hole. Try to make a big hole. Okay. There we go. So I made a big hole with my knife. So how to do it, or make sure growing up helps you. And once you have your holes, I just stuck my scissor in the holes and just start cutting. So there you go. Cut it neatly back, whatever. And just start making the bird feeder. And you're gonna cut it from that angle a little bit further. From that angle. That angle. A little bit further. And that's what I keep doing. Gosh, there's some people do this. Sometimes they can be a little hard and really loud. So it has to look something like this. Like a big hole in the middle. Like a big hole in the middle so the bird could go in. And make sure there's not sharpie stuff where the bird could get cut. So make sure you cut it really good. So if you have little, bad, uneven cuts and stuff, make sure you cut it all over again with a meter. Oh, a meter. Really neat. And it could be big, the bigger the better, because more birds can fit in at once. If it's really big or something. Wide as heck, so that's how wide you want it to be. it's really good. Once you've done that, you want to just, like, rinse it really well. So I'm just gonna rinse it. And you could probably, well, it's gonna be just like, so yeah. And then with your fingers, just put it to make sure it's not clean tiara, so the bird won't get anything cut really bad. Once I rubber sharp spots. So what I'm doing right now is just cutting them out. My scissors, I'm just cutting them out. And with the other. There we go. So this is not like sharp or anything. You don't want any birds and cut anything. Do this thing that gets cut like completely. Like a good thing. Like I'm just twisting it and just taking it out. There we go. There. So that's how it has to look like. I did it. And then you could add like some bird food and just make them, go in there and stuff like that. So yeah, it's my bird feeder, and I really want to take this big thing off. So I'm gonna take it off. So hard. Whatever. So just leave it like that. You could decorate it if you want, but I just prefer leaving it just the way it is. And make sure it doesn't have any holes at the bottom, because it does. The food's gonna start pouring out. So yeah, and you can make 2 of these. One for the water, a little for water, a little one for this. So yeah, I make this one too. So yeah, that's how it is, and you can just leave your hand there, and then birds start coming once in a while. And this works if you want the trap. Bird just don't think so it works. So yeah, it's really simple. So hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it.